Friends here. Go ahead and weep, heartbroken nightingale, for this world is the place of weeping, and never trust the treacherous smile of the faithless rose. It is a promise that she never intends on keeping. Come and bring the cup of wine, for the palace is in ruins, and these bodies of yours and mine will not last long. Life is such a fragile thing, it is departing upon the wind. Come, have a drink with me, for soon it will be gone. I am the slave of that great one who renounces all these worldly things, rejecting all beneath the blue dome of the sky. Grieve not for this passing show, but remember something I once heard from a fellow traveler who was passing by. He said, untie the knot, just binding up your forehead. Accept with joy what fate provides for you and me. The door of destiny is fixed, we may not open it, though we may try, we simply haven't got the key. So go ahead and weep, heartbroken nightingale, for this world is the place of weeping, and never trust the treacherous smile of the faithless rose. It is a promise that she never intends on keeping. Last night, drunken and alone, I was sitting in the tavern. Oh, how can words ever express the things I heard? The angel Gabriel came to me, bringing a message from the other world. With his angelic voice, he spoke to me these words. He said, great falcon, can't you see? You are a noble bird of vision. You don't belong here in this world of pain and vice. A nest in heaven waits for you, a perch to soothe your lofty stature. You'll find it high atop the tree of paradise. Oh, can't you hear? The royal falconer is whistling for you. They are calling you back to paradise from here below. Oh, tell me, why are you so reluctant to return there? What is it about this world that fascinates you so? Well, go ahead and weep, heartbroken nightingale, for this world is the place of weeping, and never trust the treacherous smile of the faithless rose. It is a promise that she never intends on keeping. Shall I give you some advice? I learned it long ago. It was taught to me by a master of the way. If you will take it to your heart and then put it into practice, you may find it is of use to you one day. Expect nothing from this world, for she will never be faithful. She is unstable, always changing with the wind. Do not be tempted by her smile, for she is nothing but an aging bride. Throughout the ages, she has been married to 1,000 men. Now tell me, why do you poets nurture so much envy for these lovely verses that Hafiz has strung for you? His gracious heart and lovely speech were given to him by the hand of God, so what else could he do? Well, go ahead and weep, heartbroken nightingale, for this world is the place of weeping. And never trust the treacherous smile of the faithless rose. It is a promise that she never intends on keeping. It is a promise that she never intends on keeping. It is a promise that she never intends on keeping.
Thank you, Mark. That was beautiful beyond words.